I'm feeling all kinds of things, especially when, of course, there were so many people at the airport, and even here when we came, everyone's been really nice, and I just feel that, I come here and then I feel like this is who I am. I relate so much to the mountains and to, the quiet. And each time I step onto the soil of Kashmir, I feel that, oh, this is what, you are missing. This is that connect just happens. I'm so happy about the fact that I have come here to perform. So there are, of course, there is the love of your own homeland, which is, of course, there. It will be the first time that I'll be in front of them live, and I'll get to really see how they actually like the music. And so I have all kinds of nervous energies also, hoping that it really goes well and people have a good time, because they've called us here with a lot of love, and I think it's for the first time that a concert of this scale is also happening. So I'm just very excited that I get to do this.
Hokus pokus televan tsukus Honum batuklutum degi.
The coming few days, I think a lot of memories will be etched forever. Some moments which I think I always wanted that should happen. I want to see, a sea of people in Kashmir dancing to happy music, enjoying themselves and just letting go. The experience of this concert was nothing short of magical for me and my band and everybody who's involved till now, because we really witnessed something that was truly magical. I couldn't believe that it was really happening. The revival of culture sort of began in a massive manner, of which we were the first act that came down to perform, after which also had Adnan Sami perform, and then there was Lucky Ali, and then a bunch of more concerts, and so much more is now happening in the valley. We played Hokus Pokus and we played some of our songs. Actually, I was also really glad that they were singing every song from the word go from the time I got onto stage. There were so many ladies who came and who danced to the roof when I was singing Bumbro Bumbro.
मेरे पास आई हैव नो वर्ड्स, मेरे पास कोई लफ्ज़ ही नहीं है बयान करने के लिए, क्योंकि ना शी सिंग सो वेल.
हमें काफ़ी खुश हो गए. सोम ने बोला हम तो ये मिस नहीं करेंगे. सोम सभी शेखपुरा से आए हुए, काफ़ी खुशी की बात है. हम इतने टाइम के बाद हमें यहाँ पे देखने को कुछ.
So many people in the press were talking about it.
हमारे लिए अपने घर में परफॉर्म करना बहुत ही इमोशनल और बहुत ही स्पेशल रहा है. हमारा कश्मीरी कल्चर बहुत सुंदर और बहुत रिच है. मैं चाहती हूँ इसको दुनिया भर में हम दिखाएं, ना ही सिर्फ हिंदुस्तान में, पूरी दुनिया में लोग कश्मीर को उसके कल्चर के लिए जाने, उसके लिए पहचाने.
Then I realized that the monumental meaning of something like this, of people coming together in the valley to have a good time. As an artist, this has to be one of the most fulfilling moments of my career. It was much more than a concert. That's what it meant to me, to people, I believe, who were there.